Hey guys, Quinn here, and welcome to another video where today I will show off my calculator in Minecraft. This is it right here. 1 second. This should be good, but this is the thing. This is the calculator. It is only 14 long by 6 wide by 4 high. That's the area it takes up, and that's because I added these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s on each side. But it's capable of doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and this is like a squared thing I just set up. And so you can put custom things as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. And so yeah, you can do 5, 3 plus 8, and then 3 and 5, subtraction -2, and 4 and 5, multiplication 20, 5 and 5, 20, and then 4 and 2, 2. It doesn't work that well with decimals, so if you do 5 divided by 2, you get 2, because 5 goes in, or 2 goes into 5 twice. It just doesn't put that like 0.5 part at the end, or whatever it is. Is it? Yeah, it's 0.5. So it doesn't add that. So if you're just looking to rounding to like an integer, then this is useful for that, because you'll do like 3 divided by 2, you'll get 1, because 2 goes into 3 once. So yeah, squared button, you just choose the first number, click that, and it squares it for you. You can choose another number, but that won't do anything. It automatically just squares it, squares the first number, and then clears the second one. So this one is for any number above 5, because 5 is the max. So do 11, and do 121, and this can get to really high numbers. So you can go 11 and 5, multiplication 55, 11 and 3, addition 14, and you can do like 1132, and this one is 2893, multiplication 3,274,876, and that is a large number. Also, that is a large number. It is 1132 squared, which is 1,281,424. And cool thing, if you do 111 and then you square it, you get 12321. And that's 1 squared is 1. 11 squared is, 1 second, I'm just going to make this easier. Okay, so 11 squared is 121. 111 squared is 12321. 1,111 squared is 1234321, and 11,111 is 123454321, and this gradually gets higher. I mean, the machine breaks here, but it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it screws up, but you can get to extremely high numbers by using this calculator. Like, let's go that, whatever that is, and then we'll do something's broken. One sec. Alright. That's good. Oh. I know it is. Alright. Weather clear. Alright, so sorry about that. When there's a weather, like a thunderstorm that there just was. We're in a desert. See, one sec. We're in a desert, so it won't rain, but when there's a thunderstorm, mobs can spawn, and that was just happening. But anyways, we do that, and then we'll do 2893, and you're like, oh, and that you get the answer. So it's helpful for like solving things. Oh, cool thing I also found out is that if you do like 1837 and then you do 5, and you can change this at will, like it won't hold you to one number, like add them together or something, or make it one long string. That's what I like. But if you do 1837 divided by 5, you get 367. So you change this to 367. So 1837, remember that. 367 and 5 multiplication. Oh, just kidding. This is supposed to be 5. I pressed 28, whatever. Alright, yeah, 1835. So it's 2 off. So you'll know that it's like accurate if it's within a couple numbers of it, because it won't do those decimals. And that's why, because decimals can make a large impact on a number, and the higher you go with these, like that and 5, the higher you go with them, the less accurate they're gonna be, because I believe, we'll test this. Alright, so this is 36712. 36712. Alright, and so that's 73. Oh, I turned airplane mode on. 7342. Alright, so we do that times 5. You get 36710. Okay, so maybe, so yeah, okay, it's not as less accurate if you get higher. So if it's within like 2, which seems to be a recurring pattern, then it should be like, it should be good if it's within a couple digits. But yeah, this is all it takes. I'll show you some of the command blocks. So for these numbers and for this one's a little different, but these numbers, all the command is scoreboard player set second calculator 5, and all you have to do is do scoreboard objectives add calculator and then say dummy, press enter. It already exists right over there, but that's what you can do. And this is for the number 5. If you want to see number 5, if you want 4, just set that number to 4, and for custom, you just set it to whatever you want. And this last one, scoreboard players reset answer calculator. This has to be a chain command block connected to this, because you don't want the answer staying up while you're choosing your next equation. But this is for subtraction, scoreboard players operation first calculator minus second calculator, minus equals second calculator. And sorry, someone's calling. And this creates the answer calculator equal to the first calculator. So this subtracts itself from the second calculator and then makes itself the subtracted amount, if that makes sense. So like, let's say this is 5 and this is 2. Subtracts 2 from 5, and then it turns the first score into that answer, which is 3. And then this just sets the answer to the first, and then this one clears the first and then clears the second. And that's why you only see the answer over here and not first and second as well. The only thing you need to change for this is for addition, multiplication, and division is just change this right here. This is a plus sign. Everything else is exactly the same. You just need to change that. See, now it's multiplication, now it's division. There's also score players operation, answer, calculator, and look. So there's plus, minus, multiplication, division, percent, equals, and then less than, or less than, greater than, and I don't know what that is, but it's like sort of both of them combined. So yeah, that is my calculator. For squared, all I did was just did square players operation first calculator times itself, and then I repeated this where I made answer equal to first calculator, then cleared first and cleared second. And so that's basically what it does. If I did this and I squared it, it just takes that number, multiplies it by itself, and then makes answer that number. So yeah, that will be the end of the video. I will leave world download in the description if I have time. If not, check back like tomorrow or something to find it. But